Me get a picture I want zero. Me embarrassment myself. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl dipped in chocolate. So today I'll be rating my old video them from 1 to 10. People stay tuned. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification to be notified when I upload another video, and just share up the thing. You know, so I'll be a banger drop right over here. So right there, such thing. People, go over to my Instagram, go over to my TikTok, and go over to my Facebook and follow me. And people, the shout out today goes to Shantae. She also has a company, a little company, new company coming around. It named Shantae Accessories. So go over to Shantae Accessories on Instagram and follow her and support her. And people, that's big up Miss Simsima. Our YouTube channel I got in my description. So just stay tuned for the bad video next. So guys, I'll be using this phone to see the pictures. So who know? Comment one feel about the picture 1 to 10. React to it by yourself in the comment section down below. Alright, this is my film style. Practice so be yourself, girl. Anyways, the first picture. What I have the Gaza sign. I better say nothing in the cup here. Me weird, me just look weird. Watch it your style. No sir. Me never have no buzz. Me I give this a 3. Look how me cuff the pants. No sir. A Farmer Joe. Hi. No sir, look how me cuff the pants. No girl, me champion though. Make this a 3. This not it yet. Somebody could have take my phone. No people. Watch your filter. Watch your girl face. This not ready. This don't ready. Brightness so. Me give this a 2. No so bad to bad. People, me remember this. I want little dinner party me go. I want little dinner party. So the people I'm from foreign, I drink the liquor and something. So me take up the wine and the champagne bottle them were done and take picture of them. Because me could drink. Somebody want have them for me look like say me big and me drink it, but me never drink none. So oh my god! Buckle people. No sir, nook never in a boom buckle. Nook never in a Smirnoff buckle. I no remember which buckle this. I just Jesus Christ. Me shame. Me get a picture I want 0. Me embarrassment myself. But too bad. The one in the river don't look too bad. Even though I look like one boy. No breast them time, you know? No breast them time. And them time I look like what? No sir. Watch stick. But girl nice. Them time I have 6-pack. Bad to bad. And background never stay good. Me get a picture I want 3. You see them time, yeah? I want time in a grade 8. No sir. Me could carry myself better. Me should have carry myself better, man. Cha, year 4 now years. How can I post this? Depressed. Sad. Sad, bad to bad. I could have gone better. Bad to bad. Me one wish I must want microwave meals and take the picture, yeah? Watch bad quality. No sir. Jesus Christ, bad to bad. I have to say bad to bad everything. To everything. Cause them picture here are some and I thought I was all that, you know. Them time, you know. Them time I was top tier. No, me know what really want to know. I want me to use and take them picture. Them time me they have a blue and my blue a front camera. So me the things that me was, you know, and them pin it there because my blue a front flash. Oh my god! Front flash. Say my phone did at. My phone that go on with something. Me really and truly, me get a picture of one tree. Cause that never look good. I want to me and them filter ya. This don't look good, Michaela. In the past, Michaela in back have a look back at you. Michaela in the past is never look good. No sir. Me give this one. Me give this one 2. This bad to bad, this never look bad. This that one never look bad. Me give this one 5. These are the cutest so far. But me look fix now. How you do this? I don't know if I do it, but I get that one right this so I tell you say no, them time you know. Girl I act girl a road. Yeah, show me talk no man. You this one time I act girl a road. Girl in our watch, girl in our ripped jeans, but them time yeah, them you see with my mother you know, me could wear no ripped jeans because them did baptize me and some was a Christian. Could wear no ripped jeans and them something there. So, but I wear one tights under the ripped jeans. Yeah, my mother was a very strict woman. See? Partner man, see? This is one time I got church. It's not like I was devoted. I was a church girl, you know, people. Watch me with my hat on, you know. For the picture, yeah. For the church picture, yeah, I give myself a 6. I'm gonna look too bad. But oh my god. No, sir. Look, and people look on me, maga. Me eat. Me consume a lot. Right, so see the other picture yeah, I want to mean I see you see him pants. I see him pants but girl. And I see him pants this time I wear it without this something without the tights underneath it become mad it gonna work. So I could get the layaway them father not stay them way the for me wear tights and it make me get to do that. So but I rate the picture yeah. But look I'm stand up to, how can I pose them here? Yo, what can I post them here? People, please don't drag my past life in the comment section. Because I know not gonna drag me. No, I give this one 4. Yes, I see the picture yeah. I went. So the picture yeah one time usually got me people. Yes, I can sing. So everybody in the comment section, but not, I mean, but this channel can sing. Me can sing. Dipped in chocolate can sing. I can sing. So I see them on the Oberlin choir and I can sing. So the picture yeah, I went and would go. I think would go track gate go sing. At this like you have a church a track gate where I want church. No, we got one funeral go sing the day, yeah. And people see the skirt sit down and tell for me, me run go up the stairs and my skirt it slit, go straight up to my bottom root, and sir had to put me in a skirt that could fit a 500-pound woman. So yes, and him have to pin me up. So big up Mr. Sanderson, big him up. So, but I rate this 8. I look neat, I look nice. I look neat. I like this. I don't like this. Roses are red, violets are blue. Michaela, I love this. Don't make no sense. Me have an all red lipstick. Lord, God, where did they want me to take them picture? Yeah? No, sir. Red lipstick. I have a look at a soldier hat with green, pink, and white and red lipstick. No, sir. And where God did they want me to take them picture? Yeah? I don't really want to know. I get a picture there one. This is so cute. I love the picture. Remember, my damn mother workplace, and them time they still have my blue. I'm gonna take the picture, yeah, in the dark. Me look like one devil riding ass. No, sir. Me maga a farm me come from me now. One thing you know, me maga you know, but me have a little. Them time me have a little battery in the back, so. No, sir. Me look like one devil riding ass. But one thing me no look too bad though. Me never look too bad. And me using a me hand. Me maga bar. Ooh, me love this. This nice. But one thing me maga bad. This looks so neat and nice. This one time I in a grade 6. When my sister called my ear and me got school and everybody said, oh, your hairstyle nice, you pretty and nice. I said, songs. Look how me did neat. But them time, the belt, we don't wear the belt under our breast. Because we must want our skirt short or something. That's why you see me belt is so far up. What a big blouse. You never have no dressmaker. No, son, I just make a never done here. What a big blouse. Them time I'm even a titty. I'm maga like drink. Me da give the video. Me da give that one 8. For the one here, me did that way smaller than them time, yeah. Yeah, me go on funeral. Me go my grandaunt funeral. Me look good. At them time here, me da learn for dress. Yeah, cause the rest of the time, them. I like this. I'm gonna give this one 8. I look nice. I'm gonna come out and I'm a full black and me and moon. But my ear never ready to catch up. This picture, me maga, you know, so me maga, but me can't stop elaborate on how me did maga and tan. No man, tan better than that man. This don't look too bad. When me did that halam bamboo, right the star. Me never look too bad. My mother buy me the little dress, yeah. Never look too bad, but I never like how my maga look. I give this one 6. So the final one at the one here. But I give the picture here one. I give one 7. Yeah, it's not too bad. Even though my foot bend up like W, I don't feel no way about it. Girl could have gone in some of the picture them. But people, if you wanna like the video, please like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell to be notified when I post again. Please go in my description and follow me on all my social medias. And people, just big up on yourself, love on yourself. Please share my videos with at least 10 persons in a contact so that I can grow. People, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. But I just need about 200 and add more subscribers to reach the 1,000. So please help me reach the 1,000. I love you guys. Bye.